Hey man, as you can see from that intro, bro, we was in the academy today on a live call, and we might have just found the money glitch, the infinite money glitch. I'm about to basically show y'all what I talked about in my AB Academy community at the end. Come back and y'all let me know what y'all think. So, as you guys know, we are on the Skool platform. This is the Skool platform here. Obviously we on Zoom, but y'all came from Skool. Everybody in the Skool, the AB Academy Skool. Skool just made an update. If y'all was in my call yesterday, new members onboarding, I was talking about this a bit there. Skool just made an update, and this update is actually crazy, where they allow you to invite people into the community, and when you invite people in the community, you get a commission of everybody that joins the community from your link. I'm about to explain. This is a crazy new feature. So as you can see, Skool has an affiliates tab. They've been had this, but they never had it to join the Skool community. As you can see, earn a commission for life when you invite somebody to join a Skool community, bro. This is absolutely outrageous. And if you don't understand why, I'm about to show y'all. So on my community, if you go here, you see the members, you see the online, you see the admins. Underneath is going to say invite people. If you press the invite people link, it's going to give you a custom affiliate link. If y'all know what affiliate link is, it basically gives you a commission of everybody you bring in. It gives you a custom affiliate link where you can copy that link, send it to somebody, send it to your friends, send it to anybody in this world. And when they're joined, it's going to look like this. This is a literal screenshot that I took today. I'm just now seeing this, bro. You know what I mean? This is a literal screenshot that I seen today. Is Amari Grant in the car right now? Amari Grant, is you in the car right now? Because
You
I'm
know I am, my man.
Twin, did you know you did this?
Oh yeah, for sure. You
See?
put me on yesterday.
See what I'm saying? Like literally, this how it pops up, bro. It literally shows you and it shows your name. This shit is actually crazy, bro. You know what I mean? This is the first time I seen it pop up with the name and shit like this. I had to screenshot it earlier. But I'm about to show y'all the numbers. I was playing with some numbers earlier, bro. And I'm about to show y'all the numbers, bro. So look, if you invite one member, and let's say the hypothetical MRR percentage was 40%. If you don't know what MRR stands for, that stands for monthly recurring revenue. You know what I mean? So let's say you invited one member at a 40% MRR. You would now get $39 per month. You know what I mean? You would get $39 per month. Shit. What y'all want to do with $39? You can get you some food. That's a good ass hibachi meal. Now, let's say you invited three members. You will get $117 a month, which actually means that I will be paying you to be in my membership. That's a free membership, and you making money on the top end. I'm paying you to be here. That's lit. You know what I'm saying? That's some turn shit. But the shit will get crazy if you start going with like, say you invited 50 members. Say you made a YouTube video and you said, hey man, AB Academy lit. You click the link down below and y'all come see what I see. And 50 people do it. You just made $1,900 in a month just by somebody clicking your link. And if they was to stay month after month, you just made basically you making $2,000 a month. You making $2,000 a month basically to promote a community that you like, man. I ain't gonna cap. They snap with this update, man. They just snap. Is that inviting people from off your AB Academy link, or we create our own school? So basically, all you got to do, bro, is go to my school and press invite. That's all you got to do, and they customly give you a link. You know, like customly. Amari, how easy was it to do this? Like, was it? Did you just click the link and it worked?
It was just that simple.
Just that simple, bro. Nah, that's crazy. I ain't gonna lie. And the feature ain't even like fully unlocked yet. They said they fully rolled it out on Monday, and they just like teasing it right now, which is crazy, bro. So
Nope. It's really like an infinite money glitch when you think about it. Because if you actually utilize the game that you giving us, you making vids that capture people attention, like what you just went over. People gonna fuck with you, and then if you focus on building a community and not the money aspect, people gonna be like, "Damn, I fuck with what bro got going on." Then you gonna lead them to a course that's gonna help them get their shit popping. Not everybody eating.
crazy, bro. Crazy. It's literally building a business inside of a business about something that you fuck with and something that's helping you. I don't know, bro. This just might be crazy. This might be a crazy new feature, man. So basically, as you just seen, bro, it's a play where if you come into my community, man, provide value and give that value to somebody else that you know, you literally get paid to be in my community. So this is a way to get AB Academy for free, and as well as build you a business inside of my business. So make sure y'all click that link in the description, join AB Academy. Come on over, join the winning team, man. I'll see y'all later.